kids, today we are going to learn about some of the animals that live on the farms and discover some interesting facts about them. First up, we have chickens. Did you know that chickens are the most common bird on earth? There are more chickens than any other bird species. Next, we have cows. Cows are gentle giants that provide us with milk, cheese, and other dairy products. They also help us plow fields and fertilize crops. Third, we have pigs. Pigs are very intelligent animals and have excellent senses of smell. They love to roll around in the mud to keep cool on hot days. Fourth, we have sheep. Sheep are known for their wool, which can be turned into clothing. They're also used for their meat and milk. Let's meet the ducks. Ducks are excellent swimmers and can even dive underwater. They are also known for their delicious eggs and meat. Dogs are known for their loyalty and friendliness. They are often kept as pets and are great companions for people of all ages. Next, we have the majestic horse. Horses are used for transportation, riding, and even racing. They are incredibly strong and agile and are often a farmer's best friend. Now, let's meet the silly goose. Geese are social animals and love to be around other geese. They are also great at protecting the farm by sounding the alarm when predators are near. Here's a friendly goat. Goats are hardy animals and can eat just about anything, making them great at clearing fields. They also provide milk, cheese, and other dairy products. Oh, now let's meet the rabbit. Rabbits are very social animals and love to be around other rabbits. They're also very fast runners and their long ears help them hear predators coming. And last but not the least, we have the hard-working donkey. Donkeys are often used to carry heavy loads and are known for their strength and endurance. They're also very intelligent and have great memories. Well, that's all for today. Kids, we hope you learned something new about these amazing farm animals. See you next time.